If you are from India, you may hear of a news that in Maharashtra, one of a policeman got scammed after scanning a QR in one of a bakery. So, simple scan make his financial unstable. That is, malicious hacker steal his money. So, it can happen. And how the virus or malware is transferred, let's look into it. So, this is my emulator. I use BlueStack app player and I'm using Kali. So, let's get into hacking to hack my emulator. So, it is a real world scenario. So, maybe I'm doing virtually, but it can be happen with anyone. So, be careful before clicking on any link, downloading any attachment. So, let's look. Uh, you will do it right. I'm using this tool. Let's run. Oh, okay. Run this tool to hack into my emulator. Oh, now I should be a root user so that I should have privileges to execute this tool. So, if you are a programmer, you could upgrade a very well-known malware which bypasses every firewall and make you a victim or suffer with malware. So, execute framework and service. Yes, I do want to execute. Let's start Apache 2, PostgreSQL. These services run by a tool. So what I want like APK, right? Let's type, let's click on one, your local IP address. So my local IP address is okay. Yeah, config. So this is my local IP address. It was suggesting me IPv4 as well as IPv6, but we will use only IPv4 for now. 4, not 444. Let's use 44 because okay. I'll name. So you miss so many people will be saying what Flappy Bird again, but Angry Bird, we will use this. Mm. What we want, Android, Meta Picker, towards TCP share. Okay, I want this one. Okay, and I think that we can so it is tool payload using home Kali tool EvilDroid to replicate from the realize really will and we got it. Okay, got it. So let's start up my Python server. You can see maybe I'm right. But let's check whether it is working or not. So system, I'm using Chrome. Then Is it working or whether it is working? So, then dot is okay. Called IP involve similar to the frequency on the frequency recorded.